Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with essentials. Verify your Switch model and firmware, because only supported builds can run previews. Once done, sign into your Nintendo account and enable two-step verification to meet account security gates. Make sure you have adequate free space, typically 5 to 10 GB, so the preview can install. Next, link or register any required Microsoft or beta program accounts. This creates the entitlement the preview checks for. Follow prompts immediately, since missing an account linkage will block the download. Now you install and configure the preview. Open the eShop or the System Update channel to download the Bedrock Preview, monitor progress, and don't interrupt the console during extraction. Once installed, apply any required region or server settings. These affect matchmaking and features, so change them deliberately. Accept data sharing and diagnostic permissions if prompted. They enable preview feedback. Finally, restart your Switch. Then sign back into any in-game Microsoft or Xbox accounts. To unlock, finish by verifying functionality. Create a test world, join a multiplayer session, and check controller mappings. If something fails, update your system firmware first, then try clearing cache or reinstalling the preview. These steps often resolve corrupted installs. Make sure to capture logs, screenshots, or exact error messages before submitting feedback. Developers need specifics to fix issues. If connectivity errors persist, switch networks or use wired LAN via dock. This isolates Wi-Fi problems and gets you back into the preview faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.